A data challenge a day helps you master machine learning. This is DDC4. Here we're going to make a bar plot of word lengths. So start with this sentence. This is a sentence that should say something witty, but instead is just meta. So that's a sentence that you want to write out in Python and then split that sentence into words, count the number of characters in each word, and show the results. So the number of characters in each word in a bar graph like what you see here. The X sticks correspond to the words in the sentence, and you can see I've rotated all of these labels to be at 45-degree angles. And I've also shifted the colors so that we start, this is using the plasma color map, so we start at purple and it goes increasingly to yellow. If you want to pause the video to code this up yourself before watching my solution, that's a great time to do that. If you want to, if you go to my Substack, you can scroll down and see the solution here. But now I'm going to go through the solution quickly. So we need matplotlib, .pyplot. I'm also using the main matplotlib library so I can access the color maps, in particular the plasma color maps. Here you see the sentence. It's a sentence that should say something witty, but instead is just meta. Here's where I split it into words, and here I get the number of words. And then I'm looping over all of the words in this sentence, extracting each individual word and counting the lengths. Here I'm doing this all in a list comprehension. If you solve this using a for loop, that's also a fantastic solution. Here I make a bar plot of the word lengths, the number of characters, and I need to get the handles to all the individual bars because here in this for loop, I want to set their color to be the plasma color map and then a fraction of the total number of words. And then finally, I'm labeling the x-axis label, setting the y-ticks and the y-tick labels to be the words themselves instead of integers indices. And then I'm rotating the x-ticks, and here you see the solution.